And we are in front of an interesting Benimar B144 XT. The standard layout for this type of campervans, and the actual spec is right here. B144 XT, 4 sleeping and 4 driving. It's the 599 version of the Ducato, the base price of 62,990. And we'll be entering inside to check the actual starting from the back. We have 4 cabinets, 2 on each side, with an added cabinet on the back. That's pretty useful. And then the bed that I will be measuring from the back, with a pretty spacious toilet. So that's for set toilet, sink, additional cabinet, shower unit with a lot of space inside, and there is actual divider for the shower. From the other part we have a pretty big tower fridge all the way down, and pretty good. And then from this side we have additional big cabinet right there. And then we have 2 gas stoves with the sink. There is a long cabinet for all the kitchenware and belongings down there, with a pretty nice finish. Getting on the top, we have the actual pop-up roof bed, the standard dimensions of it, and getting down, there is an additional cabinet and storage space with a divider, slightly less space because we have this open panorama window on the top, but we have some storage spaces all around with the Fiat Ducato new chassis from the 225. Then we have this foldable table with a pretty big sitting area. Not bad at all. And then additional space when cooking. And this is the extreme edition with the actual new look from the Fiat Ducato 2025. I will be getting slightly on the back side so we can film it to have a better understanding how it looks. So this is the Benimar B104 XT. Pretty great model. And I will be also getting on the back so we can measure the actual bed size to understand the actual bed size. So we have we have in feet 4 feet 85. We shall be changing in actual meters, and 1.4477, and from this side is 1.477. So we have a pretty big bed, and the widest part is about 1.938, with the actual garage space of 0.967, and actual garage space from the longer part is 1.454. Not bad for an under 6 meter Fiat Ducato campervan chassis for the 2025.